Welcome to Infotech's online classes. Today we discuss about current affairs which is most important for upcoming all competitive exam. Let's start. Question number 1. Foundation Day of NDRF was observed on dash. Options are option A January 20, B January 18, C January 24, D January 21. Answer is option A January 20. Question number 2. Simbex is between India and dash. Options are option A Singapore, B USA, C France, D China. Answer is option A Singapore. Question number 3. DPIIT has launched the regulatory compliance portal in dash. Options are option A January 2020, option B January 2019, C January 2022, D January 2021. Answer is option D January 2021. Question number 4. Which of the following countries are participating in International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor or ITER? Options are option A Russia, B China, C Japan, D all of the above. Answer is option D all of the above. Question number 5. How many Padma Bhushan awardees in 2021? Options are option A 11, B 14, C 10, D 16. Answer is option C 10. Question number 6. Which of the following states completed One Nation One Ration Card system reform? Options are option A Andhra Pradesh, B Telangana, C Tamil Nadu, D all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 7. When was Beti Padhao Beti Bachao launched? Options are option A 2016, B 2019, C 2013, D 2015. Answer is option D 2015. Question number 8. Central Adoption Resources Authority falls under which of the following ministry? Options are option A Ministry of Health, B Women and Child Development, C Education, D Railways. Answer is option B Women and Child Development. Question number 9. Which of the following social app updated its privacy policy recently? Options are option A Telegram, B Signal, C Facebook, D WhatsApp. Answer is option D WhatsApp. Question number 10. When was National Hindi Day celebrated? Options are option A 14 September, B 15 September, C 16 September, D 17 September. Answer is option A 14 September. Question number 11. When was Guru Gobind Singh born? Options are option A December 1669, option B December 1665, option C December 1666, option D December 1670. Answer is option C December 1666. Question number 12. At what age Guru Gobind Singh died? Options are option A 45, B 42, C 49, D 47. Answer is option B 42. Question number 13. Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti was observed on option A 29 January, B 26 January, C 20 January, D 25 January. Answer is option C 20 January. Question number 14. Indian Standard Institution or ISI was established in dash. Options are option A 1984, B 1947, C 1946, D 1945. Answer is option C 1946. Question number 15. The Bureau of Indian Standards or BIS celebrates its dash anniversary in 2021. Options are option A 75th, B 74th, C 73rd, D 71st. Answer is option B 74th. Question number 16. MOU between India and Uzbekistan for cooperation in the field of dash. Options are option A solar energy, B trade and commerce, C import and export, D science and technology. Answer is option A solar energy. Question number 17. What is India's import percentage of dragon fruit? Options are option A 91, B 85, C 94, D 95. Answer is option D 95%. Question number 18. When did World Bank allow India to build dams? Options are option A 2017, option B 2019, C 2015, D 2020. Answer is option A 2017. Question number 19. Where is the World Trade Organization? Options are option A Switzerland, B Paris, C New York, D Geneva. Answer is option D Geneva. Question number 20. India's 7th National Trading Policy Review or TPR began in dash. Options are option A January 2021, B February 2021, C March 2021, D April 2021. Answer is option A January 2021. Question number 21. Exercise covers to be held under dash. Options are option A Andaman Command, B Nicobar Command, C both Andaman Command and Nicobar Command, D none of them. Answer is option C both Andaman Command and Nicobar Command. Question number 22. How many Padma Vibhushan awardees in 2021? Options are option A 6, B 7, C 8, D 11. Answer is option B 7. Question number 23. How many satellites did ISRO launched in February 2019? Options are option A 102, B 104, C 103, D 106. Answer is option B 104. Question number 24. Where is Elephant Caves located? Options are option A Delhi, B Kolkata, C Chennai, D Mumbai. Answer is option D, Mumbai. Question number 25. Where is Ajanta Caves located? Options are option A, Maharashtra, B, Haryana, C, West Bengal, D, Punjab. Answer is option A, Maharashtra. Question number 26. Akash NG is a medium range mobile dash defense system. Options are option A, surface to surface missile, option B, air to air missile, option C, surface to air missile, D, air to surface missile. Answer is option C, surface to air missile. Question number 27. Which of the following organization tested Akash NG? Options are option A, IAF, B, BEL, C, DRDO, D, ISRO. Answer is option C, DRDO. Question number 28. Where is the headquarters of SpaceX? Options are option A, California, B, Paris, C, New York, D, London. Answer is option A, California. Question number 29. When was World Tourism Day celebrated? Options are option A, September 26, B, September 23, C, September 28, D, September 27. Answer is option D, September 27. Question number 30. Hindi is the dash most spoken language in the world. Option A, first, B, third, C, fifth, D, 10th. Answer is fifth. Hindi is the fifth most spoken language in the world. Thanks for watching our video, and for more and more video please subscribe our channel.